I know that if you clicked on this video, you're looking for impactful phrases. If you want phrases from this video, keep watching. The only issue is if you take these phrases I'm about to show you and simply use them on a woman you barely know. It doesn't make sense in the context. It's like if you wanted to apply these phrases as if they were the password to a lock you don't even know, just to unlock it. So, don't do that. Pay close attention to the context in which I'll show you these phrases so that you use them and generate the desired effect. These phrases are powerful because they have two psychological effects on women. The first phrase is, okay, just don't fall in love too quickly. This is directed at that woman you want to fall in love with you. Don't use it on a woman you're not interested in emotionally because these phrases work as psychological brakes that have the effect of creating passion. If you don't want that, avoid saying something like this. Going back to the phrase, you can use it when this woman shows something a bit more intense for you, some more evident desire. For example, if you mention that you're going to cook and she shows excitement to try your food, you can playfully say, okay, just don't fall in love too quickly with the cook. This should be said in a light and playful manner. Another example would be if you're skilled at giving massages and she asks you to give her a massage. You can say, okay, just don't fall in love with the masseur. So, why is this powerful, just like the other two I'm going to show you? Because they also convey self-confidence and show confidence. However, it's important not to say this with a tone that makes it seem like you're lying. Approach it with a playful tone, relaxed enough for her not to be suspicious, and at the same time, to smile. Even if you use a playful tone, our brains don't completely distinguish between what is said in a playful way and what is said seriously. Still, it will mess with her psyche because when you say, don't fall in love, okay, just don't fall in love, you're working with duality, mentioning the word fall in love even while discouraging it. This duality instinctively messes with the woman's mind. In the second phrase, you can say something like, you're in such a hurry, and I like that. This is useful when a woman starts giving signs that she wants to advance in the relationship, whether with more intense kisses, wanting to meet more frequently, or showing interest in knowing more about your life. Again, you use this phrase if you're seeking to create an emotional connection with her. Saying, you're in such a hurry, puts on a sort of break, creating a slight distance, while I like that softens the situation. It's as if you're playing with the situation, leaving her a bit confused if you really like this attitude of hers or if you're suggesting she slow down. Approach this with a relaxed and playful tone, laughing a bit, which will also tease the woman lightly. The third phrase that messes with a woman's psyche is saying, relax, I'm fine, and we don't need labels now. This phrase is specific to that woman who, at some point, expressed that you were too hasty or that she wanted to take it slow. It can also be applied if, in an early stage of the relationship, you tried to formalize something and she pulled back. If she gave a negative response, but you perceive that it's worth investing in her and you don't want to give up prematurely, use this phrase. The relax, I'm fine, and the we don't need labels now, create a kind of reverse psychology. Even if she expressed that she didn't want anything at the moment, by confirming this and saying that you also don't want labels, it creates doubt later. This doubt might make her question if perhaps you gave up on her. For women, this messes with the psyche, increasing the challenge and making you more intriguing. Remember to apply these phrases in the appropriate context. If this content was valuable to you and you would like to understand more about the female mind, leave your like, share the video. A big hug and until next time.